everyone, Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, we're going to make a makeup look inspired by makeup done by Hindash. Kung hindi nyo pa kilala si Hindash ay isang Jordanian na makeup artist. And he is also a content creator here in YouTube. So he does makeup videos here on YouTube. For today, ang gagawin kong look is this look na ginawa niya. I wanted to try something na medyo kakaiba. Lately kasi nakakahiligan ko na mag-explore ng iba't ibang makeup looks, iba't ibang styles ng paglalagay ng makeup, iba't ibang techniques. Kasi gusto kong mas matuto pa at gusto ko pang mas ma-improve yung aking pagme-makeup. And so, for today, yung makeup na pinili ko na galing kay Hindash is something that I don't really do much. Because for one, it's purple. I don't usually work with purple eyeshadows. And the way he used it is somewhat different from the way I usually apply my makeup. Haba na ng intro. So, simulan na natin. So, as you can see, I've already done my base. I already did my kilay. Soft lang yung kilay ko ngayon, hindi masyadong strong. Kasi gusto ko yung eyes natin yung maging focus. So, to start off, I will be taking my Natasha Denona na dupe na palette. And then, I'm going to take, with a small brush, I'll be taking this purple shade right here. What I'm gonna do is, I'm going to create parang a wing. I'm going to draw a wing using this color. Kulangan ako sa intensity nitong purple na to. So, ang ginawa ko, binasa ko lang siya para makuha ko yung mas intense na kulay. I'll take this shade right here and then ilalagay ko siya dun sa tabi ng purple. Using the Impressed You palette, I'm taking this shade right here with a fluffy brush. Just a little. And then I'll put that on the crease area. I'm also bringing this purple shade down here in my lower lash line. I'll take this shade right here. It's icy pinkish shimmer shade. Then I'll take this shade right here para siyang shimmer na purple. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa inner lower lash line. So, ayan, tapos na yung eyes. I'm just gonna finish this eye look with a liner and mascara, and then I will be back. To finish off this look, I'll be using the Sasan High Definition Face Sculptor for my blush, my contour, and my highlight. To line my lips, I'm going to use the Chris Matte lipstick in the shade Lucky. For the inner part of my lips, I'll be using the Shut Up and Kiss Me by Happy Skin in the shade The Morning After. So, this is our final look. Ayan. Hindi na ako nakapaglagay ng falsies kasi wala na. Ubus na pala yung aking lash glue. So, mascara na lang yung nilagay ko. Ayan, what do you think, guys? Grabe, hirap na hirap akong magtungkil nung dulo, nung eyeshadow. Kasi walang guide. Alam mo yun, yung ina-eyeball mo lang talaga. Medyo mahirap pa. Kailangan ko pa ng konting practice dun sa area na yun. Pero siguro if I were to recreate this look again, itatry ko yung may tape para mas sharp yung line, mas tungkil na tungkil talaga yung pagka-wing ng shadow. Medyo nahirapan din ako dun sa eyeshadow na ginamit ko. Usually talaga, it's hard to work with purple eyeshadows. Nagkataon lang na yung nagamit ko na palette, hindi masyadong pigmented yung purple and hindi masyadong kumakapit. So, I have to go back and forth just to get the intensity. Although, medyo nakukulangan pa rin ako dun sa intensity niya. Gusto ko sana, parang sa malayo pa lang, I would really see the purple shades over there, dito, sa edges. Kaya lang, yung nagamit ko na eyeshadow, hindi siya ganun ka-intense. The purple's not good. It tends to muddy. And parang nawawala siya as you buff the shade. Nakakatawa rin talaga na mag-experiment ng different looks because as I'm doing this, mas naiintindihan ko yung mga characteristics ng bawat eyeshadow na ginagamit ko. Kung ano yung gusto ko at kung ano yung nagbibigay sa akin ng problema sa mga eyeshadow. Mas naiintindihan ko na siya at mas na-pinpoint ko na kung ano yung maganda at hindi maganda dun sa mga eyeshadow. So that is it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!
Hey, no, no, no. Hey.